treasure hunting equipments.
Magandang araw po sa ating lahat mga ka-treasure hunter. So for today's video mga ka-hunter ay mag-review tayo ng isang treasure book. So meron tayong apat dito. So ang pinakauna nating libro, ito yung Yamashita Notebook. Yan. So, bagay ito sa mga nagti-treasure. Maraming dyan. Tapos ito yung niya, yung table of contents. Yan. Yan. Compass, gadgets, zipper ring, patterns, placements, constructions. Ayan. Tapos andito yung pages niya is 310 pages. So pangalawang libro natin is yung Golden Rays of the Sun. Yan. So the truth lies behind the ground. So pangalawang treasure book natin. So ito yung niya, yung table of contents. Yan. Golden Lily, paranormal phenomenon, Nippon Empire, gadgets and devices, surface placements, underground patterns, retrieval, frequently asked questions. So yan, so may siya 8 chapters. Tapos ito 334 pages. Yan. So Golden Rays of the Sun. Okay. So meron tayong yung pangatlo natin, the Red Book. Discover the way, find the code, and follow the trail. So the art and science of Japanese burial and entombment. So ito mga katits, maraming maraming chapter to. Bagay ito sa mga gustong magsimula ng pagiging treasure hunter. Yan. So ito yung number 1 niya, chapter. So may 15 chapters to. So maganda talaga ito kasi maraming laman, maraming marami kang matutunang mga information regarding sa treasure hunting. So chapter 1 niya is primer. Yan, primer yan. World War II, operations, Golden Lily, the Japanese occupation, the American intervention, terminology 101, the trail, sign and symbols, characters and languages, Unicode, the control and the assistance, forms and constructions, markers and patterns. Yan. So pang 14 chapter is the compass and map reading. So maganda to mga ka-TH. Yan. So ito yung pang-apat natin, Japanese way, the way of the generals. So yung table of contents niya is 9. Yan. So markers and markings, forms and constructions, geomancy, fundamentals and principles, burial and entombment, opening spot and burial position, remapping and positioning, signs and symbols, alphanumerics and characters, patterns and replacements. So ito. Ano to mga ka-TH? Ano pala to? Ilang pages to? Nasa 320 pages. So yung ano pala, yung the red book is ano, 268. 268. So ulitin natin mga ka-TH yung ano, available nating books. Ito the red book. Yan. Tapos Japanese Way. Yan. Tapos Golden Rays of the Sun. Tapos yung ano, Yamashita Notebook. Yan. So mga TH, sa mga gustong mag-avail nito, meron tayong 4 dito. Mag-text or tumawag lang kayo sa number na nakalagay sa screen para sa dugang detalye. So hanggang dito na lang yung video natin mga ka-TH, at maraming salamat sa panonood hanggang sa dulo. Maraming salamat po at happy hunting sa lahat.